Hello and welcome to part 2 on our series on pulling external data. I'd like to walk you through the specifics of what I showed you in the last video. I'll do that with breakpoints, and at each section of the code I'll give a brief overview of what it's doing. We'll start with a breakpoint near the beginning of the code, and we'll use the F8 button to slowly move through the code. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this X button near South Carolina to run the audiology sub. So in this first section, it's basically checking to see if there's already a worksheet with that name and deleting it, because every time we run this we want to put it into a worksheet with the SC audiology name, but if there's already one on there you can't create another worksheet with the same exact name. So it's going to turn off the alerts, otherwise you get an annoying pop-up that says, are you sure you want to delete this worksheet? So if you paid attention to the worksheet over here, you saw that it disappeared, but it's about to reappear. So there's sheet 6, and it was renamed. Next it's going to open the spreadsheet from the South Carolina Medicaid state website. And so here it's unformatted. We can see that there are some non-numerical values in column C. Column D looks extraneous. Basically, there's a lot of stuff we want to fix here. So we're going to start by deleting the first 5 rows, and then the second row, and then column D. And now we still have to format this. There's this extraneous data down here, and there's a value of M for manually priced code. So there the modifier column was formatted, and here it's basically starting this section here. It's starting at the bottom, and it's going to go through each column, and if column C is either blank or has a capital M, it's just going to delete that row. If I hover over this variable that's lowercase a, that tells you what row it's on. So in our spreadsheet, you can see that row 7 has an M in it. So I'm going to press F8 a bunch of times, and when this value gets close to number 7, we'll pay attention, because it's going to delete row 7 out of our spreadsheet. Okay, so we're on number 8. So pay attention to this row over here. It's about to get deleted. There it goes. So it's going to keep going through this, all the other rows, because each time we run this we don't know where the letter M will be for manually priced codes. Okay, so now it's finished formatting. It's just going to select this entire selection and copy and paste it back in our original worksheet. Then it's going to reactivate the spreadsheet we opened from the state website, and it's just going to close that worksheet. And here you have all the data formatted. So that's all this particular code does, and I'll paste another link to pastebin.com so you can see the code for yourself. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.